मुल्की और बैनुल-अक़वामी हालात व वाक़यात से बाखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें।
The prices of digital currency bitcoins have dropped significantly overnight. According to the details, 2021 proved to be a very special year for Bitcoin, in which it crossed the limit of 60,000 after 30, 40 and 50,000. But on May 19th, the value of the Bitcoin fell sharply by 29% to more than 500,500 billion. However, a Bitcoin unit is currently selling for about 37,000, over 5.6 million Pakistani rupees. On the other hand, the positive effects of Tesla's announcement to store and accept Bitcoins for vehicles since February 8 are now gone. Ethereum, the second largest digital currency, along with the Bitcoin, lost more than 40% of its value, while the Dogecoin lost more than 45%. Last week, he announced that the Bitcoin would not be accepted by Tesla as a car price. After the announcement made by Tesla, its price came down sharply. It should be noted that Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has caused the decline in the prices of digital currencies. Currencies may depreciate further, at least for the short term.
मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट्स में अपनी राय का इजहार ज़रूर करें।